It's been a long, tiring week and I'm looking forward to relaxing with my skincare routine. In this video, I'll be highlighting some of the new emerging indigenous brands that I've been testing out. I'm starting with a full face of makeup. I'll be doing a two-step cleansing routine. The first product I'm using is the makeup remover from the brand Neemli Naturals. This has rice water and hemp seed oil. Now, because this is a bi-face makeup remover, it removed even waterproof makeup, long stay foundation and long stay lipstick pretty effectively. Now that my makeup is off, I'm going to go in with a second cleanse. I'm using this face cleanser from the brand The Conscious Chemist. This is a creamy, nourishing cleanser. It did not dry my skin at all, and any residue left over from the makeup is now removed in this step. I'm going to hydrate. I'm using the Punch Push Floral water from the brand Daughter Earth. This is such a refreshing and lovely product. Next, I'm going to move on to serums. I'm using a combination of two serums here. The first one is the Advanced Night Repair from Estee Lauder. This hydrates my skin really well. It also minimizes signs of early aging, and it's just one of those products that I like having in my routine for the overall health of my skin. In the second step, I'm using the BHA Serum from the brand Sugandha. This is really nice as it keeps breakouts to a minimum. BHA is one of my favorite ingredients. It's time to moisturize. For my eyes, I've been loving the Farsali Haldi Eyes Under Eye Cream. It's so expensive, but it actually has been working really well for me. My under eyes look very hollow in this video because I'm jet lagged, I've not slept enough, but this has definitely reduced the pigmentation in my under eye area. For the face, I'm using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Emulsion. Neutrogena is one of the brands that I started out with when I first started taking care of my skin, and this emulsion is just a really nice one that works for my combination skin. Next, I'm going to use a face oil. Before I do that, I'm just going to add a little bit of lip balm. I'm using the Lip Care Cream from the Face Shop. And then as the last step, I'm using the Tamanu and Cranberry Seed Facial Oil from the brand Vaunt. This is a really nice facial oil with some powerful botanical oils, and this is a clarifying blend, so it's going to help me with some of the breakouts that you can notice on my chin, around my jawline. And a facial oil gives you a really good opportunity to give yourself a nice face massage, so that's what I'm going to do. I tend to carry a lot of tension in my jawline, so I'm going to focus quite a lot on my jawline and relieve some of the tension, and at the same time sculpt my face a little bit. I would advise you use a oil or a really nice emollient cream anytime you are giving yourself a massage. It's not good to be massaging your face in a dry state. It causes too much friction. You can also use a face roller or a gua sha at this step. I feel like it's just a really nice, relaxing way to end the day, to end the week. And that is all for my evening skincare routine today. I hope you found this video helpful. Do leave me a comment, especially if you've tried any of the new brands I've spoken about in this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great weekend. See you soon in my next video.